Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our W17 smartwatch, and this time we are going to focus more on the support app, the M Active Pro support app. Okay, so this time we're going to install the watch face. Okay, let's download the watch face. As you can see here, it is boasting its 500 plus watch faces available for the smartwatch. We already have here some preloaded watch faces. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, at least 6 watch faces available in the wearable. Okay, so let's try and install additional watch faces for this smartwatch. Okay, so we have here our smartphone. Okay, let me adjust the brightness here. Okay, we already connected our smartwatch to the support app M Active Pro. So we are now connected, and as you can see here, we have here the UI of the smartwatch. Okay, so let me focus on. We have the home here. Okay, we have the sports. We have the device here. We can see the settings here, and we have here the profile. Okay, on your device, we'll go right now. Okay, or on this video, we're going to set the watch face as well as the notification function for the wearable. Okay, so let's go first with the dial manager. Okay, that is the location for the watch face. Okay, so let's go for the dial manager. Tap on the dial manager. Okay, so it's going back again to the main. Let's go to the visitors login again, device. Okay, we're proceeding to the dial manager. Let's see if we really do have at least 500 watch faces available for the smartwatch. Okay, so we have mechanical dial here. Okay, or shall we say analog. Let's see, we have a festive dial. Okay, so there's a lot of categories here. We also have digital dials. Okay, space dial. Also have here a cartoon dial, and we also have, okay, let's go back, a custom dial. Okay, let's go first with the mechanical dial here. We still have more. Okay, so we have a lot of options here, and seems like it's all free. Okay, free to install, no problems at all. So this is a very comprehensive list of watch faces available for your smartwatch. So I'm impressed with the M Active app. Okay, very good support app so far. Okay, simple dial. We have let's go for digital dial, and we'll try to install a watch face, a sample watch face. Although I like this one, so let's just try and see how it goes. Okay, we'll experience any issues at all, or it will be a smooth installation of the app. Okay, let's go retro. Okay, let's go for this one. Okay, seems like it's a good watch face here. Then install. So let's see. Okay, automatically push to our smartwatch. As you can see here, we have a progress bar, and our smartwatch here automatically switch to installation or downloading of the watch face. Let's wait. Okay, 67. Okay, so we are done. We have successfully downloaded the watch face, and as you can see here, very nice watch face. Okay, we have the analog here, and we have a digital. We have the steps, seconds, okay, and some animations here. Okay, nice. So far, it's a very good watch face, and I'm impressed. Okay, we have downloaded it without any issues. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, how about this? Like this one. Okay, let's try and install. But I like this one. Very good watch face here. Connected. Install. Let's see. So 3553 KB. So this one is a bit heavy, I think. Let's see. We'll try to install also a custom watch face. Okay. Okay. Let's wait. And we are done. Okay, another beautiful watch face from M Active Pro. Okay, let's focus. Okay, so beautiful looking watch face here, but I like the other one. Okay, so let's try and install a custom watch face. So it says here that it supports a custom watch face, so let's check. Okay, tap on it. So select a picture. Okay, gallery. Okay, let's use this. Okay, again. So custom watch face. So we have here. Okay, you can adjust or show some. Okay, so we have some issues here. Again, let's open. I don't know if it's our internet connection or there's an issue with the custom watch face here. Dial manager. Okay, so far with the available downloadable watch face, there's no issues. Let's try for the customs if we will have some problems. Okay, gallery. Okay, so that's okay. So the setup or the settings for the watch face did not appear here. Okay, so let's try it again. Okay, so far it is being downloaded, but we don't have the options that we have seen it earlier. Okay, again, the M Active Pro app is a pretty new app, so we'll see if we can really install and download the watch face for it. Okay, when it comes to custom watch face. Okay, let's check. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded the watch face. Let's try. Okay, seems like you don't have any the setup. Okay, for the custom personalization for the watch face did not appear so far. Okay, again, let's see. Okay, so we have here So seems like there are some issues that we, okay, so send bug report, as you can see here. So there's a bit of issue for the custom watch face for the M Active Pro. Okay, but with a downloadable watch faces, there's a lot of options. Okay, let's go back to the device again. So far, that is the issue for the custom watch face. I don't know if others experience it with their smartwatches, but so far in my side, although it's just a minor issue, okay, just a custom watch face, there's no problem so far with other options. Okay, for the downloadable watch faces, no issues, so no problem. Okay, so let's activate first here for the message notifications. Let's look M Active Pro. Okay, so we can now receive SMS notifications here, call notifications. Okay, that's it. And I don't see any issues for the social apps. We have, again, let's load it. Okay, seems like we don't have. I think you just have to activate it here manually. For example, Twitter, okay, and other app here. Okay, so that's it for the W17 smartwatch. There are some issues, but it's just a minor issue with a custom watch face. But so far, with a downloadable watch face, just like this one, it works okay. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye!